Hi. Um, I have two tiny questions. Is that okay?
I will try to give tiny
Okay.
answers.
So you were talking about adolescents and then discussing, in their later years how cannabis didn't have the same effects. And from experience with patients, I've seen like that it actually has an anxiolytic effect. So they become anxious after a while of, taking it. But around what age do you think that buzz or whatever it is that they were looking for diminishes or changes?
I mean, a lot of the timeline work that's been done has been done in animals. We don't have a lot of kind of developmental mapping in humans. I mean, some of this is limited by the fact that the way you visualize the receptor in the brain is using a radio tracer, which you can't, as far as I understand, Bernard might know better, but I don't think you can use that in under 18-year-olds. So it's been very hard to visualize this in humans. We know in animals you see this drop, at least the CB1 and glutamate terminals, right around the time of the end of puberty when kind of brain maturation finishes. Now, in terms of when this inflection happens in humans for what you're talking about, it is interesting that 18 to 24 is the largest age group of users. And after that, you do progressively see reductions in the proportion of the population that uses. So, and given that the field has kind of roughly surmised that about 25 is when the brain stops developing, my guess is it would be around then.